I'm calling all writers. I'm calling all producers. I'm calling all digital content creators. If you have an amazing story, script, project that you so desperately want to get out into the world, but ain't nobody calling you back, ain't nobody returning your emails, you feel like you have hit a glass ceiling, girl, do we have something for you? I am super excited to partner with the Black Women Film Network again. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Ash. I'm a writer, director, producer, performer. I've been doing this for 20 plus years. A couple years ago, we brought you How to Pitch Your Scripts to Hollywood. Now we are back to bring you 7 secrets on how you can grow your career as a writer, producer, and digital content creator. And the best part, you can be anywhere in the world. It's a free live webinar. Yes, I said free live webinar. So go ahead and click on the link to get the details, and let's go get this chicken with blue cheese.